Anastasia, you know you're not supposed to be stapling the papers like that. Mr. Kroger does not like it like that. Karen, you know I can beat your ass, right? You know I can do that, right? Get the hell up out of my face. Mr. Kroger, I just felt so threatened. She said that she would beat my ass and I didn't know what to do. I'm afraid for my life right now. I don't know what to do. I'm really scared. You know what? Let me just pack my shit now because I know I'm going to have to be
Hey, what's up, you guys? So today I'm going to be doing a different video. I'm gonna upload a video of the makeup look that I'm gonna do, but today I'm gonna be doing a video on an updated eyebrow tutorial, how I do my eyebrows, because my eyebrows changed dramatically from the other moment that I have done my eyebrows in the other video. I'll leave the description down below, but that's how I used to do my eyebrows, but I don't do my eyebrows like that no more. I kind of do my eyebrows bold when I want to, but I kind of use less product. Yeah, so we're gonna get started on that. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, just keep on watching. But before the video starts, I just want to tell you guys thank you for the people that are supporting me now and subscribe to my channel. I genuinely highly appreciate all the support that people are there for me and watch all my videos. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment down below if you just subscribed to my channel, and I'll give you a shout out on the next video. And I'll post your if you have a channel or whatever, I'll post you on one of my videos, so that way people could go and subscribe to your channel as well. But let's get started. So we're gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. It's my favorite brow. I'm gonna use this. It's Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Vanilla, and I love how this one gives you like a radiant glow too. You can use that under your eyes. I like to use it, but when I want to go for like a full coverage, but we're not doing that right now. So this video is only about eyebrows. So I'm gonna up close now.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
So I kind of just start from the bottom. I start from the bottom right here and just kind of fill in to right here. And I kind of stop right here in this area because I don't want to fill it. I just kind of like whatever I have left at last, then I just use it for, you know, to kind of just feather. And just like that.
it's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
to say.
Oh, I forgot. I do use the Echo gel to set my eyebrows. So this is what I use.
You love.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
It's
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
It's not for me to say.
Boo, you know how we do. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
It's not for me to say. You love.
Hope you guys like this video, and
It's
Yeah.
not for me
Stay
to
tuned for some more.
say. You